Hey, this is Richard, this is Games Freezer, and today we're looking at something slightly different than what we normally look at. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this. So this is the QHOT Wireless Lavalier Microphone. I can't remember how you pronounce it actually, but it's the ones that clip on, basically, the clip on microphones. And this is a wireless version. So I was looking for something on Amazon that would be fairly cheap, because it's rare that I'd need it, but something that I could use potentially when I'm doing some unboxing videos. So I thought I'd have a bit of a research into the best ones on there under £30, you know, something that I can use every now and again, not the thing that I rely on. So bought this. It's plug and play. You get the two microphones in there, which is really cool. You get like a dongle to connect to your device. So I use iPhone, and there's an iPhone connector in there and an adapter that you can utilize in order to get it attached to your phone. And then with each of the microphones comes a clip. And I did some testing with it, which I will get to in a moment, and it's come out pretty cool. It's the sound quality is really good for the price point. So it says it's got 20 meters of reception, which is about right. We tested it across the house and sort of see how it worked out, and it was pretty cool. So let's do a bit of an unboxing first of all, and let's see how we go. Right, so inside you get the nice little box. I think I can lift it out from the bottom, and we go usual wireless microphone, user manual, pretty straightforward in order to set it up, so didn't really need that, so that's fine. We've got first mic, see if you can see that. They're quite cool. Little clip on the back, or a little holder for a clip on the back, which I'll slide on in a moment. And you've got an on-off button at the base of the microphone, so that's one. And obviously the other one, which is exactly the same. There's your two. Then within there you also got the clips, which allow you to attach them to clothing, etc. That's good. Then underneath that you've got the main thing, which is so that's the dongle. So initially it comes as USB-C, and within the package there is a little adapter that allows me to use it on my iPhone, which is not USB-C. So that gives you the lightning adapter that connects to the USB-C, and then it enables you to plug it in. So let's do that now. So it goes in there like so, and that gives you that connection. Very cool. Right, so now you've got all what you need, and then within there as well there's the little box with the charger lead. I've taken the charger lead out, but you get a charger lead for the microphones themselves. So next thing will be to do a quick test, so we'll cut to that. See you in a minute. So this is Richard, this is Games Freezer. So we've connected up the QHOT Wireless Lavalier Microphone up to the iPhone, and then we're just doing a test. So let's see how that comes over. See you on the flip side. So now I've done the test back here again. The sound quality was pretty decent. Like I say, for the £20 price mark, that's what you're expecting. Something that's makes recording sound easier on your iPhone or your iPad when you don't necessarily have the opportunity to be near to your device. So pretty good, pretty decent. Hopefully this has been a helpful review. Remember to like and subscribe to the video. Helps us get more things into the Games Freezer to take a look at. This wasn't a sponsored video. We paid for the QHOT Wireless Lavalier microphone ourselves, just because I needed one recently. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and that's @GamesFreezer, and we're over on TikTok, The Games Freezer, and we're also over at www.gamesfreezer.co.uk. Till next time, my friends, you'll be leaving me connecting my wireless lavalier microphone to my string. Goodbye, my friends.